warm welcome. You're watching News 18 Network and this is me, Lavanya. Currently, I'm standing in front of Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management and today they are celebrating their 8th World Food Competition 2024. Here, the student can get an opportunity to showcasing their culinary talent who come from all over the world. So without wasting any more time, let's go inside and check it out what's cooking on. Please welcome Sir Sardar Simarpreet Singh. Welcome to our channel, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, so how did the idea comes to your mind that World Food Competition कुछ ऐसा करना है जो सबसे हटके हो?
ये कॉम्पिटिशन 8 साल से चल रहा है. तो एज यू नो हम लोग जैसे कॉलेज इवॉल्व हो रहा है, वो इसको नेक्स्ट लेवल पे ले जाने ट्राई कर रहे हैं. तो इस साल हम लोग 30 कंट्रीज से बच्चे आए, 8 ग्लोबल जजेस, एंड हम लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि हमें बच्चे जो एक्सपोजर मिले, वर्ल्ड एक्सपोजर मिले, वो कैंपस से मिल जाए उनको. बिकॉज हॉस्पिटैलिटी ऐसा फील्ड है वो कहीं पे भी प्लेस हो सकते हैं, कोई भी इंडस्ट्री में जा सकते हैं.
यू रनिंग दिस इवेंट सक्सेसफुली फॉर द पास्ट 8 years. तो जब शुरुआत के दिनों में आपने इस इवेंट को शुरू किया था और आज 8 साल के बाद व्हाट आर द ऑब्जर्वेशंस? क्या लग रहा है, क्या क्या चेंजेस आए हैं?
काफ़ी चेंजेस आए. हमने शुरू किया था तो सिर्फ लोकल होता था, फिर ये स्टेट वाइड गया, फिर नेशनल गए,
and now it's become an
international event. And India is growing. अब जैसे पता है इंडिया का इमेज इज ग्रोइंग इन द वर्ल्ड.
अभी हमारे साथ हैं गुरु नानक इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ होटल मैनेजमेंट के प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर प्रलय गांगुली. प्लीज वेलकम सर.
वेलकम, गुड इवनिंग.
एंड आई लाइक टू नो दैट व्हाट आर द प्रोस्पेक्ट फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स after participating in this amazing event, World Food Competition?
We are organizing these World Food Competitions 3 days from 12th to 14th. And if you ask me the prospects, options and opportunities for our students, that's their skill-based exposure, number 1. Skill-based exposure in different domains of hospitality. And other than this exposure, it's a cultural melange. Different countries, visiting India, visiting Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, more than 30 countries, and there are different cultural aspects and all. This is a mixture, it's a cultural melange. And another thing is that the students are portraying the rich blend of hospitality, which Guru Nanak is known for.
The advisor of Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, he is with us right now. Please welcome Mr. JVS Gomes, right?
Right.
World Food Competition, is it creating a very good impact on students, those who comes from outside the India, or it is open up a new ray of hope for those students who come, who are Indian especially?
Right, you see, actually we have been organizing this World Food Competition from 2016.
Right.
And the first year we saw that it had a very great impact on the student community, those who are studying over here.
Did you really think that this kind of food competition creating an international impact for your institute as well?
Yes, it does, because you see, when they go to their country, they take the memories back with them and then they share it among their friends and their institutes. So those institutes abroad, they get to know about our institute, how we are functioning, how our students are skilled. They get to know a lot about our institutes.
अभी हमारे साथ है असिस्टेंट रजिस्ट्रार अनुरूपा पॉल of Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. Please welcome ma'am on News 18.
Thank you so much.
Tell me something about your experience that you are witnessing this event for the past 8 years.
Yes.
So, how was it?
Well, like you said, this is the 8th mega World Food Competition. It is a wonderful experience for us to organize this every year. Now, ये जो competition होती है, this is with many countries, and this time we have more than 30 countries that have come from far-flung areas, all over the world. So when the students come together, they have cross-cultural exchange, and they get to learn from each other. They mix with each other, and this gives them that exposure, and that makes us happy.
For me, it's definitely a privilege that I'm going to witness today variety of world cuisine inside this Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, all under one roof. So come with me, I'll explore something more for you. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
What is your specialty for today?
I'm making a continental dish like chicken roulade and cream of mushroom soup. Talking about the specialty of Nepal.
What is this? Chicken breast?
Chicken breast, and I'm marinating it with soy sauce, vinegar, ground black pepper, sugar, bay leaves, and is it chili?
Okay.
Or this is for the chicken adobo.
What is your menu of the day?
Chicken adobo for my main dish, and this is the famous one, and we're the national food of the Philippines, and also I will be cooking the dynamite for my appetizer. And
You
then-
come from Philippines.
Yes, ma'am.
As we can see, mushroom is boiling here. And what are you preparing right now?
Now I made mushroom soup.
Mushroom soup.
Yes, shiitake and mushroom.
Okay. Where did you come?
I am from Armenia.
Armenia. Okay. You chop these onions, right? And these tomatoes too. And what is this?
This is ice and sugar making a caramel.
Hello.
Hi, how are
Your name?
Matov Farid from Uganda.
Uganda.
Yeah.
Okay. And you're making what?
I'm trying to make fish and meat soup.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your name?
I'm Michelle.
Okay. And you come from?
I come from South Africa.
South Africa. And what is your preparation?
I am making a milk tart now.
Oh.
Yes, it's our traditional South African dessert.
Here is another participant who come from South Africa, right?
Yes.
Your name?
Palisa Julia Pejan.
Okay, and what did you prepare for today?
I'm gonna do a chickpea and cauliflower soup with some curry and some spices for you.
Okay. You made it with Indian spices?
I did some Indian spices there because we do use them a lot in South Africa. So
South Africa to Philippines, India to Nepal. Far more away to go because many more cuisine to explore inside this kitchen. Where did you come?
I'm from Sri Lanka.
Did you ever try any Indian cuisine?
In Calcutta.
Huh?
Yeah, I came and I tried Indian biryani.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very flavorful and I like it.
From chopping to sizzling, marination to cooking, everything is happening just all under one roof right now. What's your name?
My name is Jyoti Gimide,
Jyoti, and you come from?
Nepal.
Nepal. And what is your specialty of the day?
Oh, that's Chinese.
What are you making for today?
I'm making hot and sour soup.
Hot and sour soup?
Yeah, and soy garlic tofu.
Soya garlic tofu.
And chicken Szechuan noodles. And tangulu as dessert.
What's your name?
Victoria, hi, nice to meet you.
Okay, and you come from?
Austria.
Austria?
Yes.
Okay, and you're preparing what? What is this?
An apple compote.
Okay, apple with cinnamon stick.
Yeah, apple with cinnamon, water, and sugar. And I will make it on a low flame, and then it will cook in.
Okay, what is this actually?
This is a vegetable soup.
You're making actually stock, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But in an Austrian way.
What's your name?
My name is Maximilian.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is John.
Okay, and you come from?
Australia.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what is your preparation for today?
I'm doing an Indian soup.
Oh, Indian soup?
Yes, and my main is the Australian one. So I brought my spices from Australia.
Okay. And what's your name?
My name is Daniel. I'm from Switzerland.
Switzerland?
Yes.
The specialty of Switzerland, I can see, the chocolate and cheese, right?
Yes, it's not chocolate, it's almond, but it's actually cocoa.
Okay.
I will make a cocoa lip crumble and cocoa ganache,
Cocoa ganache?
Yes, ganache also.
And did you made with Swiss chocolate?
You can see it there.
Okay.
My name is Takma Gruner. I'm the mentor for the students from Namibia.
My part here, I am trainer of the Egyptian team, and I come to celebration with them and to have it at the competitions, and will be coming here to be and fight well.
You are the judge of today, right?
I am. I'm one of the judges, yeah.
Okay, and what's your name?
Leslie, I'm from the UK.
Okay, Leslie, welcome to India.
Thank you very much.
Right now, I'm with Chef Mikkel, and she's one of the mentor of today, right?
Yes, that's right. From South Africa.
And what are the speciality of yours?
For today or overall?
Overall?
Overall, we've got some lovely dishes. Bobotie, which has got a lot of our curry and spices in it. We've got a thing that most South Africans do. It's called braai. It's cooking meat over open fire with a nice beer always, or a nice good wine. South Africa is known for its red wine.
We have another judge with us right now, and what's your name, ma'am?
Lida Seren. I'm very impressed with the improvement. I'm coming for a few years now, and this year we've got good people.
Right now, we have with us the mentor of another team. And your name, please?
Yes, we are come from Switzerland.
Switzerland.
From the BHMS school.
Okay, and your name?
My name is Balazs Georgi.
Okay, and what did you think? Your team is going to win tonight?
Of course.
They are the best.
Yeah, of course. Why not? Yeah.
Please welcome Chef Abhishek, right?
नमस्कार इंडिया और मैं बेसिकली तो इंडिया से ही हूँ बट अभी फ़िलहाल मैं सिटीज़न हूँ ऑस्ट्रेलिया का और ऑस्ट्रेलियन टीम को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ ऑल टुगेदर इन कोलकाता। मेरे साथ मैं एक मेंटोर हूँ और मेरे साथ फिलीपींस के जो स्टूडेंट हैं वो पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं। यहाँ आके बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत ही प्रोफेशनलिज्म है और ऑफ कोर्स जो एनवायरनमेंट है वो थोड़ा ह्यूमिड है बट फिर भी हम कोप अप कर रहे हैं इससे और रियली वेरी अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन।
माय नेम इज गौर।
He is the mentor of our Armenian community. So we represent Armenia. We have the participant. His name is also Gor, but he is Gor Avetisian, and our mentor is Gor Gabrielian.
मेरा नाम पवन सिंह है, मैं इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ और मैं आज ये मटन की एक डिश बना रहा हूँ ऑथेंटिक विदाउट एनी अनियन टमाटो।
To wish good luck to all the participants of this contest.
Yes.
40 different states, 160 participants, and the biggest challenge is to prove their cooking skill in front of the judges. And the most important part is presentation along with good cooking skill, and food must be looking not just good, and it should be tasty too. So it's altogether a biggest challenge for each and every participant today. What is going to be happen at the end? Let me show you, but please stay with me. Please welcome Chef Bali with us right now. आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है.
Thank you so much.
Today we are here to judge this Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management's 8th World Food Competition. So according to you, स्वाद को क्या छा गया?
So I think शेफ्स के लिए तो बड़ा आसान है बिकॉज हमें जो है बड़ा ही सिंपल फूड पसंद आता है बट हाँ बहुत खुशी होती है हमें देख के कि व्हेन वर्ल्ड ओवर स्टूडेंट्स कम और जो वो खाना जब बना रहे होते हैं तो एज एन इंडियन यू नो व्हेन यू हैव बीन इन इंडिया एंड यू सी ऑल द फॉरेन you know chefs coming and cooking, at least the good thing is that you can relate to that food immediately and you can say अच्छा ये बनाया है, ये पता है और इसको जज भी करना है, हमें इसका प्रोसेस भी पता है, हमें इसकी इंट्रिकेसीज भी पता है और हमें ये भी पता है कि उसने कहाँ गड़बड़ करी है. So I think that is very good, you know, and ये kinesthetic sense है.
Kunal Kapoor as our guest.
Thank you so much.
आज आप वर्ल्ड फूड कंपटीशन को जज करने के लिए कोलकाता आए. According to you, the most comforting world food क्या है आपके लिए?
I think the most comforting food for me is home cooked food, but I'm somebody who enjoys a lot of carbs. So I like carbs, I like fat.
Okay, now let's conclude this wonderful conversation with an amazing rapid fire. Okay. Champaran meat or kosher mangsho?
Kosher mangsho.
Okay. गुड़े रसगोल्ला और गुलाब जामुन?
Gulab jamun.
लुची आलूर दम और छोले कुलचे?
Chole kulche.
Okay. Eating out or home cooked food?
Eating out.
Please welcome Sanjeev Kapoor.
Thank you very much. Thank
Welcome
you.
to the show, sir. Welcome
Thank
to the
you.
channel.
Thank you.
आज आपने यहाँ पे आके स्टूडेंट्स को जज किया है, तो आपको क्या लग रहा है? What are the prospects for students in future जो लोग शेफ बनना चाहते हैं आगे चल के?
So, see, any kind of competition gives them a chance to excel. It brings out that competitive feeling in them. It also gives them a chance to learn from students, teachers, mentors from all across the world. And in terms of prospects, already Indian students are in demand globally. From hospitality, good hospitality institutes, they're already in demand. 60% of kitchen staff in luxury cruise liners worldwide are Indians.
final look and the final output is done, and the temperature of this competition is really getting higher right now. Come with me. Armenia, Egypt, Namibia, Bhutan, Russia, and so many more. Who's next? We really appreciate the talent, the energy, and the hard work of students, those who are done a lot from the very beginning of the day to showcasing their culinary talent in today's World Food Competition here. World Food Competition, the name seriously worth it, because right now I'm feeling that the entire world is coming all under one roof, and thanks to Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management and their students and participants, those who have come here from so far and showcasing their culinary talent in front of India. I'm standing just beside one of my favorite master chef of India, none other than Ajay Chopra. Tell us about today's experience.
Well, I think today was very special because GNIHM has organized a world food competition, and this is the 8th year of that. And what it does is that it gets students from various countries, various colleges. So this time I think 24 odd countries had participated. There were rounds of bartending, vegetable carving and fruit carving, and then the main was the culinary competition. So it's an exciting time to see that India is now able to host events like these and host it with much panache. And it was very, very good to see all the students from all across the world coming here, cooking their hearts out and preparing some wonderful dishes.
Tell us something about this competition. For how long you take preparation to make this possible, everything?
So we started this procedure since 6 months. So we invited all the countries across the globe and we choose the best participants from across different institutes across the world.
Right now, I'm with the winner of this competition. And what's your name?
My name is Rimpi Dash and I'm from Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. First of all, I just want to thank my institute for giving me this wonderful opportunity, and it was a great experience to compete with these wonderful people who came around the world. I'm very happy. I can't believe it.
Saleh from Egypt.
हमें जो शेफ ने सिखाया वो सिखाया उससे मैं जीत पाया.
I feel so happy. I'm so excited.
Inside the campus, the day was really hectic today. But the judges, the mentors, the students, the participants, each and everyone are making the day cherishable, enjoyable, and an amazing learning experience in all aspects. And definitely meeting with celebrity chefs like Sanjeev Kapoor, Kunal Kapoor and so many others इस दिन को स्पेशल बनाने के लिए और इससे ज्यादा क्या चाहिए. And especially each and every participant, those who come from various country, मेरे लिए and the entire team of News 18 Network की तरफ से इन सभी के लिए बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं, ताकि आगे चल के इनको भी हम टेलीविजन या फिर डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म पे एक बड़े शेफ के रूप में देख पाएं. बट फिलहाल के लिए आज इतना ही, लेकिन बहुत जल्द आपके साथ फिर मिलेंगे ऐसे ही किसी वंडरफुल इवेंट्स के कवरेज को लेके. टिल देन, स्टे हैप्पी एंड गुड बाय.